In this video, I will show you how to check watch time hours on YouTube Shorts. So let's get started. To check watch time hours on YouTube Shorts, you need to use laptop or PC. First open youtube.com and log in to your account. Now click your profile icon located at the top right side. From the options, click YouTube Studio. Now click Analytics option from the left panel. Click Content. Next, click Shorts. And here you will get details like total Shorts views, impressions, likes and subscriber details for the last 28 days. Now to check watch time hours, click See More. And here in Advanced mode, click this plus icon and from pop-up, click Watch Time Hours. A new column will be added showing you Shorts watch hours. You can even change duration from the drop down. So that is how you can check watch time hours on YouTube Shorts. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.